Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CYH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I'll let you this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and in this situation makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice movement. When you consider where the price was just yesterday, and now all of a sudden you look at where the price is, any rational person is going to say, yeah, the bulls definitely made a very nice move on the day. However, that does lead to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my opinion, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is the previous breakout point right there at $3.20. Why is $3.20 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that a price movement with true power, so if a breakout is actually a true breakout, well, it's going to keep on breaking out. Or in other words, the price is going to make progress forward. I'm assuming you're saying, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's going to keep on moving forward. Of course, if it's a breakout, it's going to keep on, well, breaking out. Because if it were to drop and go back to where it was, that would be a contradiction of things. Exactly. So that's why 320 is important. So with that in mind, if the price were to, let's say, break below 320 or worse yet, separate to the downside, what would that be doing to the price at that point in time? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out from. And again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price does pull back a bit more, but in this case behaves like this and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows here. You'd have these lows right here. You picture each of these as stair steps, and hey, now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's what a true breakout is going to do. It's going to make progress over time. And in this situation, I'm just defining and quantifying the phrase progress as, again, 320. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are hanging out at, pretty straightforward right now. That's up there at the $3.42 mark. So 342 will be public enemy number one going forward. All in all, though, no doubt about it, nice breakout move today. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum and get continuation with the breakout? We shall see. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.